Hello, this is Jordan Bishop with CIT 336. Just doing my presentation on the session start. So session start is often used either to start a new session or resume an existing session. And this is accomplished by via a cookie or a GET or /post request. You use the session name to use a named session. Example is the white box below, how it shows that the session start also uses an array. So the function of this is that when you call a session, the PHP checks for a cookie from the previous session. If there isn't a cookie, then PHP will know to start a new session file, and thus a new session file is created. Some examples are that we see here. We've got the PHP source on the left and the result on the right. We see that there's some standard PHP here, and we see where there's the session start up above the HTML. Then down below, we see that the $_session, those session variables are set to green and cat, and the echo session variables are set. So we see here an example of this session start. Now, there were several references. This was just a short presentation on session start. It's a very simple function, just the starting of or the resuming of a session. I did some research through hackingwithphp.com. Obviously, the php.net, very important one, and the example comes from W3 Schools. I recommend going there to look at it. You can hop in there and use their code runner to play with the code and manipulate it yourselves. But there's some references that I use, some resources for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I enjoyed researching this and look forward to learning more about PHP. Thank you.